You are right, Tori. It's hard to hear God when there's too much noise in your life. What does God's voice sound like?
Ugh.
Hi, I'm God. I'm here to answer your prayers and stuff.
Morgan Freeman.
Think about it this way. People who are trying to know if money is real or counterfeit become so familiar with real money that the second they see the fake money, they know it's not real because they know what real money looks like so well. The same is true with God. You need to be so close to Him and used to Him that when you hear something that is not Him, you recognize it right away. What do you think God is calling you to?
Love. Happiness.
The fridge?
I think he's calling me right now.
I still can't find his number.
What vocation do you think God is calling you to?
What's a vocation?
A vocation is how we are called to live our lives in service to God. A vocation is how we actually use the gifts that God has given us to better the world and the church. We have two vocations. Look at this seed.
That is going to be one big tree.
And your vocation is even bigger than that tree. We don't know what plant this is. We can all see the outside. This is like our basic vocation that we are called to live out right now. That call is to love.
To what?
Our call is to love others. That is our basic vocation as Christians. We each also have a permanent vocation which we cannot know or see, but that is revealed over time. Like the fruit of this plant. This vocation is permanent, and once we enter into that vocation, we can really use the gifts God gives us. What are some vocations? Rachel Wilkie, what are some vocations? Noah Kazmersky, what is a vocation? Vocations are marriage, religious life, like nuns or brothers or priests. These are the vocations that each of us is called to. This seat's kind of good. Can I not get 1 second away from you? What do you want?
How do we know what God is calling us to?
Duh, ring ring, he calls you.
I already told you I don't have his number!
I already told you I don't have his number!
I already told you I don't have his number!
You see, you have to discern. You have to discern before making decisions. Sometimes that is easy. Sometimes you have to choose between doing something that is wrong and doing something that is right. In which case, the decision is easy. It might not be easy to actually do, but it's easy to know what you should do.
But what about when both choices are right?
Well, then you need a little heavier duty discernment. You know who is a great source with that? Ignatius of Loyola.